Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox on your Quest 2. First, you'll need a capable gaming PC and the Oculus PC application installed. Make sure your computer meets the minimum requirements for VR, including a strong processor and graphics card. We'll cover both wireless and wired connection options, so you can choose the best setup for your play style. Let's dive into the details and get you playing Roblox in virtual reality. For a wireless experience, AirLink is an excellent choice. First, enable AirLink within your Quest 2's experimental settings. Then, open the Oculus PC application on your computer. Once both are ready, connect your headset to your PC through AirLink. After a successful connection, simply launch Roblox Player on your desktop, and it should automatically detect your VR headset, immersing you in the game. If you prefer a stable, wired connection, the link cable is your go-to. Use a high-quality USB 3 cable to connect your Quest 2 directly to your gaming PC. When prompted in your headset, accept the data access request. Then, enable Oculus Link from your Quest 2's Quick Settings menu. Once connected, launch Roblox Player on your computer, and you'll be ready to enjoy Roblox in virtual reality with minimal latency. To ensure the best Roblox VR experience, consider a few optimizations. For wireless play, a robust Wi-Fi 5 or 6 network is crucial, ideally on a 5 GHz band. Close any unneeded background applications on your PC to free up system resources. You can also adjust Roblox's in-game graphics settings to find a balance between visual quality and smooth frame rates. Finally, always keep your Quest 2 and PC software updated for optimal compatibility and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.